In this video, I will show you how to back up your Google Keep notes. Google Keep is a great tool for taking notes and organizing your thoughts. But sometimes, you may want to keep a copy of your notes somewhere safe. Backing up your notes ensures that you won't lose important information. To begin, open the Google Keep app on your device. Next, tap and hold on a note to select it. Now that your desired note is selected, look for the three little dots located at the top right corner of your screen. Tapping on these dots opens a menu with various options related to your selected note. From this menu, find and tap on Copy to Docs. This feature will transfer your selected note directly into a new document in Google Docs. Next, tap Open when prompted. This action will direct you straight into Google Docs, where your backed up notes are now stored as a document. Make sure that you have the Google Docs app installed on your device, otherwise, this process won't work seamlessly. With the document open in Google Docs, look again for those three little dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on them once more. In this menu, locate and toggle on the switch next to Available Offline. And there you have it, a simple way to back up all those important thoughts stored in Google Keep directly into Google Docs while ensuring they're available offline as well. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.